Hello students, today we will see azeotrophs or constant boiling mixture. Some liquid on mixing form azeotrophs, which are binary mixtures having same composition in liquid and vapor phase. Azeotrophs means boil unchanged. Ethanol and water mixtures on fractional distillation gives a solution containing approximately 95% by volume of ethanol. This is an example of azeotrophs. The binary solution liquid mixture having the same composition in liquid and vapor phase which boil at constant temperature like pure liquid are called constant boiling mixture or azeotropic mixture or simply azeotrophs. Mixtures of liquids which boil at constant temperature like a pure liquid such that the distillate has the same composition as that of liquid mixture are constant boiling mixtures or azeotrophs. There are two types of azeotrophs, minimum boiling azeotrophs and maximum boiling azeotrophs. Now we'll see minimum boiling azeotrophs. These are formed from liquid pairs which show positive deviation from ideal behavior. Such an azeotroph corresponds to an intermediate composition for which the total vapor pressure is the highest and thus the boiling point is the lowest. Such an azeotroph having boiling point lower than either of the pure components is called minimum boiling azeotroph. These are formed from liquid pairs which show very large positive deviation from Raoult's law or ideal behavior at a specific composition. This can be explained through that boiling point diagram of water ethanol mixture. In this diagram, ethanol is represented as B and water is represented as A. You will find that composition or that mole fraction varies along this axis and temperature increases along this axis. You have seen in case of Raoult's law, the vapor pressure curve for positive deviation always remain above the curve of ideal solution. Suppose if ideal solution curve shows like this straight line, it will remain upside of that ideal solution. So this is that vapor pressure curve. Vapor pressure curve for ethanol water. Now you see if the vapor pressure of the liquid mixture is highest here for the composition which is azeotropic mixture. Here that percentage of ethanol will be 95.57%, shows maximum vapor pressure. So boiling point will be the minimum. In that case that boiling point come here. So that vapor pressure curve, maximum vapor pressure, it shows the minimum boiling azeotrophs. Means vapor pressure curve if goes upwards, boiling point curves come downwards. Upper curve shows the composition in vapor phase and that lower curve shows the composition in liquid phase, and this is the azeotropic mixture. Here the composition in both the phase, vapor phase and liquid phase, here vapor phase and liquid phase, it remains same. So higher the vapor pressure means lower the boiling point. Minimum boiling azeotroph shown by the mixture which show positive deviation from Raoult's law. For maximum boiling azeotrophs, that boiling point curve will go upwards. It will be like this. Means in that case, its vapor pressure curve will remain below the ideal curve. Means suppose this is that curve for ideal solution, and if some non-ideal solution shows negative deviation, means vapor pressure curve goes downwards, that negative deviation. So if we draw the boiling point curve, this is the vapor pressure curve for negative deviation. Now if you draw the boiling point curve for maximum boiling azeotrophs, the boiling point will be upward. So if it is that minimum vapor pressure, then it corresponds to the maximum boiling point. So now we'll see maximum boiling azeotrophs. Maximum boiling azeotrophs are formed from liquid pairs which show very large negative deviation from Raoult's law or ideal behavior. If the solution shows very large negative deviation from ideal solution, then it shows maximum boiling azeotrophs. We'll see the example here. In first case, we have seen water and ethanol mixture. So water and ethanol mixture, where its composition is 95.37% ethanol, it shows azeotropic mixture. Both the water and ethanol boils at 351.15 Kelvin, though that pure boiling point of water is 373, pure boiling point for ethanol is 351.3, but for azeotropic mixture, both the liquid boils at 351.15 sharp boiling point. Similarly, in case of maximum boiling azeotrophs, that is that solution showing negative deviation, here the example we have taken, it is water and hydrochloric acid. Pure water's boiling point is 373 Kelvin. Hydrochloric acid boiling point is 293 Kelvin. But it forms azeotropic mixture at a composition that the percentage of HCl will be 20.23%. It shows boiling point 385.54. Means you see here that pure boiling point of water is 373, pure boiling point of hydrochloric acid is 293, but the mixture shows the boiling point 385.54, which is more than that both water and hydrochloric acid. So that's why it is maximum boiling point. In case of minimum boiling point, you see that boiling point of water is 373, ethanol is 351.3, but that mixture's boiling point is lower than both of water and ethanol. It is 351.15.